Go off. Come on. You got good enough reception.
This is a winter storm warning for the following areas: Vermont, eastern Wyndham, and western Wyndham. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Saturday to 7 p.m. Sunday. Wet, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches. Higher amounts of around 12 inches are possible in the southern Green Mountains. Where? Mohawk and Scarlet Valleys, Capital Region, and southern Vermont. When? From 7 p.m. Saturday to 7 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Additional details. Snowfall rates may be close to 1 inch per hour at times for Saturday evening into early Sunday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. This is a winter storm watch for the
I
following
had good
areas.
enough reception. I'm surprised it didn't go off.